Okay, so as you can see here, I just have a basic pink gel polish. I have the No Wipe top coat, which is extremely important for the bubble nails. And then I just have a basic bowl with some everyday dish soap to make those bubbles. That way you can apply it all over the nail. Just use a basic nail brush, nothing too fancy. And basically that's all you need to create nice bubble nails, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I kind of already started this nail, but basically just because this pink is kind of thin, this is my second coat of this pink. I just kind of apply it all over the nail, and I'm trying to get nice even strokes, but as you can see, it's still a little thin, but trying to get there. And I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds in my light. So at this point, I've already applied one coat of the No Wipe top coat and I cured it for 60 seconds. And for the bubble nails, I'm going to apply this second thin coat of the No Wipe top coat. And once I apply it evenly, I just get that brush that I showed you in the beginning, get it full of the bubbles. And once it's full, you're just going to evenly place the bubbles all over the nail as best as possible. If you miss any spots, just kind of go over it again and put it in the light and cure for 60 seconds. So once it's cured, you just wipe off the excess bubbles, and that's how you get the bubble nails. Thank you so much for watching this easy tutorial, and click that subscribe button to get more nail tutorials.